In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to Replit in just 5 minutes. Replit is a powerful tool for coding projects, providing a comprehensive online development environment. Adding images can enhance your projects, making them visually appealing and user-friendly. Let's dive right in and get started on this simple, straightforward process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Replit account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by visiting Replit's website and signing up. Assuming you're all set, head over to the website and input your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all your projects. Click on the Apps section to view them and select the project you want to work on. This is where we'll be adding the image. It's crucial to choose the correct project, as any changes you make will directly affect it. Now, let's focus on the left-hand side of your Replit interface. There's a panel at the bottom left. You should spot an icon that looks like a paperclip. This is your attachment icon, and clicking on it will allow you to upload files to your project. It's an intuitive design choice that mimics the paperclip symbol you'd find in emails for attaching documents. After clicking on the paperclip icon, a pop-up should appear with the option to upload file. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a dialog box on your computer, which will allow you to browse through your folders and find the image you wish to use. With the dialog box open, navigate through your files and select the desired image. Once you've located it, simply click Open. This step is crucial because choosing the right image file will ensure it displays correctly in your project. Once you've selected your image and clicked Open, Replit will upload it, and you'll see it listed in your Files panel. This panel acts much like a directory, showing all the files associated with your project. The image is now part of your project assets, ready for use. Finally, you can now reference your newly uploaded image in your code. This can be achieved by using the file path displayed in the Files panel. Integrating images can vary depending on whether you're using HTML, CSS, or another language, but the key takeaway is that your image is now available and easy to incorporate. And there you go, a quick and straightforward method to add images to your Replit projects. These visuals can make a big difference, turning a simple code base into an engaging and interactive experience. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and that you're feeling confident about making your projects more dynamic with images. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!